Welcome back, friends. This is Professor Kulkarni from Sinhagad Engineering College, Pandharpur. Today we are going to start chapter number 4. The title is Automation, Computer-Aided Design, Computer-Aided Manufacturing, and CAE, Computer-Aided Engineering. These all are based on automation. So automation plays a very important role in CAD/CAM CAE. First of all, let us understand the concept of automation and its definition. So, definition of automation is that predetermined sequence of operation with little or no human labor. So, automation is interpreted as there is a little interference of human being, and it may be there and it may not be there. This is the difference. There should be human interference or there should not be human interference. If human interference is there, it should be very less as it is defined in automation. This is actually concept. Now some students has a concept in the mind that automation is only related to electronics, it is only related to mechatronics, it is only related to a robot. This is not the actual concept of automation. Actual concept is that anything that you perform with little interference of human being, that is called as automation. Just remember this in mind. If you design any device, any mechanism without use of electricity and that is performing well with little interference of human being, you can simply call it as automation. That can be understood by this way. So consider this in mind that the mechatronics is not only automation part, anything that you can perform with less human interference. Then it uses special devices which perform and control manufacturing process. In advanced manufacturing processes, some controllers are used to run the computer numerical controlled machines, to run NC machines, to run DNC system. There we require some machine control units, we need microprocessors, such devices we need, and these devices are used for a manufacturing process controlling different operations of machine. So therefore nowadays automation mostly uses such controlling devices for manufacturing process. At the same time, it uses decision making in manufacturing. Sometimes engineers may be in confusion that in which way we should follow the manufacturing process or manufacturing chart. So there we need some softwares like SAP. You may use Microsoft Excel also. So we need a manufacturing process which is suggested by a software, and that process also comes under the automation. So automation is not only related to manufacturing process, it is also related to the decision making in manufacturing process. So we have to incorporate different softwares in manufacturing processes that will help us in automation, in manufacturing, in design, in decision making, and in many things. Now let us see types of automation. Basically there are three types of automation: hard automation, soft automation, and flexible automation. So what is the hard automation? Sequence of operation is fixed by equipment configuration. First point. Second is the standardized product, engine block, gear or spindle. These are manufactured in hard automation. Third one is a less flexibility in changing sequence. next is the high production rate in hard automation, and fifth is the high initial cost of investment. So these are the five basic points of automation. Sequence of operation is fixed by equipment configuration. What does it mean? We will discuss one example. Take an example